Hello children, I hope you all are fine. Welcome to first session of our English grammar class. To get started, I would like you to introduce with the grammar book BBC Compact of class 6. Children, we will start with the first topic of a grammar part, that is nouns. As you are already familiar with the word nouns are the words which are used as names of places, persons, objects, materials and feelings, etc. The word noun is derived from the Latin word nomen, which itself means names. So let us study it in detail. Basically, there are 5 kinds of nouns: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and the material noun. The first of its kind is proper noun. The nouns which name a particular person, place, or thing are called proper noun. For example, particular people's name, particular name of a person like Mahatma Gandhi, Michael Jackson. Month's name like May, June. Days of the week, specified days of the week like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Festivals, Christmas, Diwali. Names of countries and their capitals, India, New Delhi. Names of famous places like the Taj Mahal, the Statue of Liberty. Names of people who live in a country like Indians, Americans, Italians. Names of oceans, rivers, seas, mountains like the Indian Ocean, the Himalayas, the Dead Sea, Mount Everest, etc. Children, always remember that proper noun always begins with the capital letter. And we don't use articles a and the before the proper noun. For example, there is an example for you. The members met in May. May is a particular name of the month. It is a proper noun. We don't write the members met in a May. The members met in the May. It's wrong to say. It is the members met in May. Okay, children. The second kind is common nouns. The common nouns are those which name a class of people, buildings, things, objects, birds, animals, etc. which are similar to or have same characteristics are called common nouns. For example, names of people of same class, carpenter, magician, farmer, they have the same characteristics. Names of buildings, bank, school, hotel. Names of animals, fox, cow, monkey, ant. Names of things, objects, tools and machines like table, chair, box, pencil, fan and so on. Names of fruits and vegetables like apple, orange, potato, etc. To make it more clear to you, I have a clip. Now see, you can see a chart. Common noun divided into people, place and things. Under people we have builder. Builder is a common noun because it is not specified that which builder, what name of the builder is there, it is not specified. So builder is a common noun. Under place we have country. Again the name of the country is not specified. So country will be common noun. Things. And the things we have honey. Which brand of honey? It's not written. So honey is a common noun. There is one more example. Pepsi is the competitor of Coca-Cola. Now see, Pepsi and Coca-Cola both are the specific brand names. So they both signify proper noun. And competitor, there is no name, no specific name. So it is a common noun. The next noun is collective noun. The nouns which name a group or a collection of people, animals or things of the same kind. Remember, of the same kind, which are described as one whole. They are called collective nouns. For example, names of group of people like team, group, jury, crowd, family, etc. Names of group of animals like flock, team, pack, litter, pride. Names of group of things like bunch, bundle, fleet, bouquet, etc. The next category is material nouns. They are the nouns which name substances or matters of which things are made. That means they signify the thing is made up of what kind of material. They are called material nouns. For example, iron, wool, wood, rice, cotton, rubber, water, etc. The fifth kind is abstract noun. The most important one, the nouns which name feelings, qualities, actions, ideas or states and other things that one cannot touch or see but can feel or experience are called abstract nouns. These are the nouns that one cannot see, one cannot touch, one cannot hear, one can feel through his senses. For example, joy, mercy, laughter, youth, jealousy, fear, poverty, etc. Children, we can also make abstract nouns from certain adjectives and verbs. Like kind. Kind is a noun. Kind is an adjective. If we add the suffix NESS to it, it will be kindness. Kindness will be abstract noun. Now you can see the example. In this example, there are 4 kinds of noun. Let us see. The basketball team of Mount High Valley School won the first prize in the inter-school competition. All the children were very proud of their victory. Now see team. Team is a group of people. So team is a collective noun. Mount High Valley School. It is a particular name of a school. That means it is a proper noun. Children. Children, a group of same characteristics. That means children is a common noun. Victory. We cannot see, we cannot touch, but we can feel. So victory is an abstract noun. So children, this was the first session of nouns. I hope nouns and its kinds are clear to you all. Thank you children.